welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film for you guys a thrift haul. Dave and I went to Toronto on the weekend and I went thrifting at a Value Village, and so I'm just going to hop in and show you what I got. When I was shopping it was minus 30 I think degrees with the wind chill, so it was freezing. This is Celsius, but I guess at that point it's sort of equal to Fahrenheit. Anyhow, it was really cold, and so I'm shopping for some sweaters. I also found a couple little bits of home decor. So I'll start with the home decor. The first thing that I found was this huge tray. You can see here how big it is. It's kind of got this lime green on the back and this faux wood look on the front. But I thought I'd give this thing a makeover with maybe some Mod Podge and some paper on the bottom here and then spray paint. I'm not really sure exactly what I'll do right now, but that's the intention. It was $6.99, so not overly cheap, but for the size and how sturdy it was, I thought it was a good deal. So I'm gonna give this a makeover and then stay tuned in the future for the results. Next bit of home decor I found was this beautiful crochet type lacy doily sort of table runner. So it's pretty long, and if you've been a follower for a while, you know that I love the color green, so I just love the details and I think it's gonna look great on our new table. And this one was $4.99. Value Village doesn't have the best prices, but I still think that was worth it. Next I found a pair of shoes for Miriam. They are these super cute Disney baby from Zara Minnie Mouse little runners. They were $3.50 and they should fit her now. So these are them here. They've just got Minnie design all over, and then you can sort of zip them up. So they'll be easy for her to get on and off. They are pretty dirty, you can see, but I'll just throw them through the wash and then they'll be as good as new. So that was $3.50 for those. Then there are 3 items of clothing. The first is this t-shirt. It was $2.50. Just a plain black V-neck t-shirt that was pretty nice and long, so that's good. I like long t-shirts, and it looks really good on me, so that's that. Then I got 2 sweaters. So the first sweater is this cozy one here. It is also from Zara. I think it says Zara Trafaluk. I'm not sure. Anyway, it was, let's see, $8.99, but it is super cute. It is super, super soft, and it's got these fun bell sleeves. Super cozy for winter because we're in full-on like below zero cold weather, so this will be good for this type of weather. And then oh, it's super, super soft. And then the last sweater I got was this cream sweater. It's originally from H&M, $3.99, and this is it here. So really awesome detail there, super warm, nice and long, has a little bit of a slit up the side on either side. The sleeves are nice and long as well. So that is the last item that I got from the thrift store. So this thrift haul is done. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, you'd like to see more videos from me, please consider subscribing, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!